Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me Jeet Acharya, a motivational speaker. So I hope everyone is fine in this pandemic situations and all. So today I just want to discuss some of the topics regarding about the personality and all. So before I start my topic, so I just want to request to all of you, like, please try to subscribe my channel and share, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So basically today I will discuss regarding which I told about what is the personality example. Like if I talk about personality, everybody knows what is personality. If I ask anybody also, you are very good in answer regarding about the personality, but exactly practically how we are going to utilize those things, those personality, I just want to highlight some 3 4 points. So I hope everyone will like it. So, okay, so here I go. The first point, basically we are there, I will just like to explain regarding about the way of talking. First things which is basically very important about the personality is called about the talking style. Means whenever we are talking, it must be very much like a sober, a louder, a clear, something like that. So definitely whenever you are talking with anybody, it must be a very sober, okay, very soft and louder. Also louder does not mean that we have to shout so much or something like that, but it must be clear. The person whom we are talking, they must understand that what exactly you are talking. Okay, so because see, this personality is like suppose like you are going for any kind of interviews and all, also there also this personality is very much matter over there. Okay, because maybe you might have a good qualifications or your qualification is very high or something like that, but the thing is that if you don't have a good personality, everything will be zero over there. So that's why this personality is very important. The first topics which I said about the way of talking, right? Then second topics which is there about like the way of looking. Okay, like looking, when I talk about the looking wise, means obviously even in the look wise also you should look good, you should look decent. Okay, and at the same times, like looking wise means like when you are talking with somebody, it must require you should have a bright eyes and eye to eye contact also. Because if you are going to talk with somebody, many times it happen like if the persons are sitting in front of us, maybe any seniors or any other peoples over there, we are quite nervous, we don't have that much of confidence to talk with that particular person, right? So that time, in that particular situations, we must have a confidence and we have to talk to that person according to their level only. Because whatever, like maybe they are very much senior or something, but we should not feel down in front of them. That time we lost our self confidence. So that's why if you really want to have your confidence, first you have to maintain your eye to eye contact. When you are talking with them, look at them properly and answer them by maintaining your eye to eye contact. Okay, I'll give you one example. You remember, like when you are in the school time, okay, like when the teachers are trying to ask some questions or something like that, so when we forget that answer or something like that, then we started to look here and there, or upside we are starting to look at the wall or something like that. It seems like everything is written in the wall, right? But actually it was not like that. That time what happened, like we lost our self confidence. That's why we used to do all those stuff. So basically when you're talking with somebody, you must have your eye to eye contact. You must do the eye to eye contact to the people whoever you are talking. You have to talk to that person according to their level only. Clear? The third things what I want to tell regarding about the walking, the way of walking, how to walk, right? You may say that yeah, I'm good in walking or something like that, right? But actually the in order to walk also, like you must have a busy big steps and straight shoulder. Like when you're walking also in the road, or you're going to the office, maybe you're going for some walk or something like that, it should be very much like a busy. Okay, like you must be hurry. Okay, and at the same time, like a big step should be there, and straight shoulder should be very much straight like this. Like many time it happen, people are shoulder is like this down, right? So actually it should not be like that. The shoulder should be straight like this, and when you are walking also, people should look that yes, the way you are walking also, you must look something attractive over there, right? Because it's about the personality. So definitely you cannot the thing is that you cannot just ignore that one. The way of your walking also, like you must have a straight shoulder, okay, and busy also, and at the same time big steps also should you must maintain. Okay, so the next things what I want to talk about the personality, that is called the body language. So when we are you're talking with anybody, the body language, it give you a good signs to when you're talking with somebody, it make you more attractive also, right? So basically the body language also is very important whenever you're talking with somebody, or you are talking like you're going to discuss, or you're going to give some speech or something like that. The body language, the action should be there, which people will make you more and more attractive, right? Like they will be concentrate to you more and more when you are doing the body language or those things and all, no? Okay, And the fourth things, which is about the way of dressing, like which is called the dress code, which is very much important. Like it should be professional, like a neat and clean, okay, and ironed, okay. That is very much important whenever you are going for any kind of interview, or you are going for any kind of speech, or you are going to meet somebody or something like that. It should be very much neat, clean and ironed. The personality, like that, should attract to the people, because no matter, as I told you at the beginning, no matter whatever the big qualifications you are having or high qualifications you have, but everything is depends on your skills, your personality, which is matter very much, right? If you have a good personality, anybody can be attractive to you. So that's why the personality is one of the most importance in our human life also, to do anything, okay, like which you can make to the peoples also understand lot of things. Also you can teach to the other peoples by learning about the personality. You can teach to the other people also, like what is the value of personality and what is personality, because the words is very simple about the personality, but in order to implement the practically, that make very much difficult to the people, because these things are very simple things, but we used to forget in order to maintain this simple things only, right? So that's what I want to talk regarding of the personality. So I hope everybody like my videos. So if you really like my videos, so please try to share, okay, and as I told you, try to subscribe my channel so that it will reach to the peoples, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And thank you all of you. Bye bye guys.